Alright guys, Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com. We're doing a BillsBoxBreaks.com site break. It's a 5-box random.org mixer. It was $10 a spot. I'll be putting another one up. Might lower the price to 9 or 8, or I gotta figure out a new price. But check out the new one. I'll be putting it up tonight. I got 5 boxes coming on Wednesday, so good luck here. First we're going to go to my screen and random up the names of the teams. Just going to switch to mine and pull up Mr. Spreadsheet. Alright, so we got everyone listed here. We got Rassman on top and Keith B on the bottom. So we're going to take that. We're going to shuffle that 3 times. All once. Keith on top. Michael W on the bottom. Twice. Keith on top. Rassman on the bottom. 3 times. Keith on top. Rassman on the bottom. So we'll take that into sheet number 2. And let's shake up these teams. Shake it up. Shake it up. Let's get a fresh list here. Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Once, we got the Bills on top, Vikings on the bottom. Twice, the Patriots on top, Cowboys on the bottom. 3 times, Buccaneers on top, and Vikings on the bottom, where they started. Alright, and let's see what everyone's got here. Alright, Keith, you got the Bucks, the Browns, the Niners, and the Packers. Cool Cat, you got the Seahawks. Keith, you got the Broncos. Matt, you got the Steelers. Keith B, you got the Jags. Matt, you got the Chargers. Keith, you got the Redskins. Rassman, you got the Colts. Matt H, you got the Lions. Keith got the Bears and the Panthers. DX got the Giants. C Nasty has got the Bengals. Keith has got the Rams. Joe D's got the Eagles. Matt H has the Cardinals. And Joe D has the Dolphins. Keith B has the Saints. Matt, you got the Raiders. FL Good, you got the Chiefs. Keith, you got the Texans. DX, you got the Cowboys. Joe, you got the Falcons and Ravens. Charles, you got the Pats. Rassman, you got the Titans. Cool Cat, you got the Jets. Michael with the Bills. And Rassman with the Vikings. Alright, so those are the teams. Let's go and switch back to the webcam. And we'll break this. Yeah, I'll wait about 2 minutes here for trades, if anyone wants to trade. Yeah, I pulled Keith some nice cards. Got him an Andrew Luck out of this, so he was pretty happy. You want me to, let me grab your teams again, Matt. You have the Steelers, the Chargers, the Lions, the Cardinals, and the Raiders. Nice, maybe a little Alshon Jeffrey, if you get it. I might have to hit you up for a trade. If you're game. No, Keith has the Bears. Nice. Which one were you at him? Just bought 2 spots in the 5 box. Alright, looks like no trade, so let's go ahead and break this. get it done. Yeah, I'm going to put up another one on tonight, Matt. The boxes coming, like you heard on Wednesday. I like do at least one or two of these a week. They're fun. I like them. Plus I got a nice shipping box out of it. They don't like to come out easily. The bottom ones. I don't think so, Adam. I think you're confused. This is a site break on BillsBoxBreaks.com. The one from eBay will be breaking later. You probably have the bears in the eBay break. I think it's 133. If your item description says 133, this is not your auction. This is my site auction, 5 boxes. Alright, let's just get these packs out. They're my lucky scissors. I don't need no stinking pocket knife. My trusty yellow scissors. I've used them since I started. Old habits die hard. Yeah, Adam, I'm going to post one on my website. I ordered them today. They come in Wednesday, so it won't break today, but I'll have another one listed so you can grab some spots in advance. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. First box. Victor Cruz. Brandon Lloyd for the Patriots out of 49. Keyshawn Johnson out of 499. And our first hit, looks like it's going to be nice. Isaiah Peed out of 25. Jumbo, looks like a little patch in there. On-card auto, nice. Isaiah Peed. Rams coming down with the first hit. Not a bad way to start it. Nice Andrew Luck. Russell Wilson would sure look pretty in that. Yeah, in the corner there. Yeah, sure thing. So the Rams went to Keith. So Keith snagged the first hit with the Rams there. Congrats to you, Keithy. All right, then we got Paul Hornung out of 25 for the Dolphins. Dan Marino. Reggie Bush also for the Dolphins. And then we have for the Lions, Ronell Lewis out of 199. Mr. Ronell Lewis. What up, Ronell? Nothing, just chilling. Cool. And who are the Lions? Lions went to Matt. So Matt, you picked up that one. You got that one, Matt. All right, then we got Anquan Bolden, Deshaun Jackson. I'm not sure. Paul Warfield. And then our hit is going to be Redemption. Prime signatures, Mark Barron. Mark Barron. Who the hell does Mark Barron play for? Mark Barron trade? Let's see, who was he drafted by? Wow, he was the pick number 7 in 2012. So he was for the Bucks, so that goes to the Buccaneers. And who had those Buccaneers? Bucks. Who would you know? Keith. Keith had the Bucks. Yeah, he's in the Rams right now, yeah. That one goes to the Bucks and Keith. Got Randall Cobb. A Rapco at a 99. Blaine Gabbert. And the next hit, Justin Blackmon for the Jaguars at a 149. Not a bad one. For the Jaguars. And the Jaguars went to Keith. Keith strikes again. And the last pack, good luck. Got Greg Jennings. Mario Williams out of 99 for the Bills. Marcus Allen. And last hit out of 20 for the Redskins. Nice. Santana Moss. Santana Moss auto for the Redskins to finish it off. Alright guys, thanks for joining. That's out of 2019 out of 20. And check out BillsBoxBreaks.com. I'm going to have another 5-box break up with this listed tonight. So check it out and have a good night.